Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cornbread muffins with Jiffy. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 1/8 5-ounce box of Jiffy corn muffin mix, 1/3 cup of milk, and 1 large egg. Also, prepare a 12-cup muffin tin, either greased or lined with paper cups. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get mixing. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a medium bowl, combine the Jiffy corn muffin mix, 1/3 cup of milk, and 1 large egg. Stir these ingredients together with a spoon or spatula until they are just moistened. Be careful not to overmix the batter. A few lumps are perfectly fine and will help ensure your muffins are tender. It's time to bake those delicious muffins. Carefully spoon the batter into your prepared muffin cups, filling each one about 2/3 full. Place the muffin tin into your preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the tops are golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Your kitchen will smell amazing. Once baked, let your cornbread muffins cool in the tin for about 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack. This helps them set and prevents sogginess. Serve them warm with a pat of butter, a drizzle of honey, or your favorite jam for a delightful treat. And hey, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade Jiffy cornbread muffins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.